confidence in Saudi Arabia is now wavering on the petrodollar.
That's right.
That is absolutely sure. Now, there is a way to stem this. The way to stem this, of course, is to place punitive customs and excise duties on Chinese imports into the United States and return the United States to energy independence. Our oil will only be sold in our currency. You would be able to undermine most of their efforts in that direction. Bearing in mind, their own economies are not that strong. So it is. However, China has been accumulating gold, and Russia produces gold. Okay. What the United States could say in an ideal scenario is, you want pork? You must pay for it in gold. What the United States could and should say is, you owe us over $3 trillion from before Mao's revolution. We are using this to pay off $3 trillion of American debt from T-bills owed to China. You could do things, but when you have a corrupt government that's controlled by globalists, it's not going to likely happen.